with this training, it's an elevation for people to understand basics of artificial intelligence, basics of robotics, basics of 3D printing. So in this era of the fourth industrial revolution, if people are not trained to use these gadgets, these systems, it's really a problem and no one will know how to use them. But with this training, it's an eye-opener and our students are really understanding, even if they have not yet visited first world countries with the latest equipment, the state of the art, they can imagine and be in a virtual world and understand more, and even learning becomes easier.
Basically, I would say all the parts of the workshops, they were very interesting, but the most valuable one, I think, it's where we had the hands-on, where we got a chance to manipulate and interact with, like in robotics, we were able to manipulate the robots and interact. So that part was very interesting for me.
I think, first of all, I need to acknowledge and say thank you for this opportunity to be here, because I think this was needed in the wider Namibia, because so often skill shortages disable people from doing what they would love to do. So the knowledge and the hands-on skills that we have acquired here will most definitely stand all of us in good faith when we go back, because so often it has been a theoretical thing, but so much practicality has happened here. And what I also loved was the opportunity to collaborate with people from other countries. And I believe in collaboration and different ideas, because different ideas gives different or better outcomes. So most definitely this model, I will use it to go and inspire the others out there, so that better collaboration within towns can even happen within schools, so that clubs can integrate and share knowledge.